Hey guys, Dean here from Big Dog Builds. Today we've got Tam's brand new F350 Super Duty. This is a Performax converted F truck with the works. It's going to be one hard truck to beat. This thing has literally got everything required to travel Australia in comfort, and I think is one of the nicest looking F trucks I think I've ever seen. Starting with the suspension on Tam's, he's chosen to go with the BDS coilover conversion kit. He's even squeezing in some Fox 3.0 triple bypass rear shock shortly. There's a few more modifications needed for that, but this is a good kit, gives him a 4 or 5 inch suspension lift on these 2020 plus trucks. He's paired that up with some Method 605 NV 20-inch wheels and BFG Mud Terrain 37-inch tyres. With the suspension in this truck and the wheel and tyre combo, we've upgraded the GVM up to 5.8 tonnes. So this is nationally recognised NB2 category. And with this, we like to set up the suspension the best way possible. To do this, we've removed the leaf springs in the back. We've worked with a local company to add 2 extra leaves, as well as reset the pack to suit the weight of the canopy. He's also got a boat going on top, and once it's fully loaded, there's going to be quite a lot of weight over that rear axle. So guys, remember these axle load ratings are very important, especially when you've got the van on the back, the canopy choice, the boat on the rooftop tent. The weights on these vehicles is starting to get up there now that a lot of the American trucks can hold 2 fridges in the canopy, 400 amp lithium, and all the extra weight. Be very, very careful with what vehicle you choose for application you're after. If you're on the road full time, going up to the bigger and bigger trucks is definitely a must. As you can see, the exterior of this truck is like none other on the Australian roads just yet. This has got the off-road creative, awesome looking canopy on the back, as well as the off-road creative bar on the front. Having these 2 components just makes this truck stand out from the rest, with the full black color-coded canopy and front bar, mixed with the hint of chrome from the factory black F350 Platinum model in the Ford range. Off-road Creative as a company has definitely grown a long way. I was lucky enough to see one of the first canopies on Ransom's Ram. Brad definitely set the bar pretty damn high from the start, but every single canopy that I've seen coming out of that workshop is definitely raising it more and more each step. So props to Brad and team down at Off-road Creative. This is probably the best looking canopy I've ever seen on a vehicle. And here we go, we're going to walk through it and I'll tell you some of the features and what you can expect when you go to Off-road Creative and build your dream canopy. Being a chassis mount canopy, Brad's definitely looked at saving a lot of the weight by utilising as much space as he can, but using the right amount of material to go for strength as well as watch the weight. On the driver's side of this truck, he's gone for the Evercool 40 litre drawer fridge. This is a great combo fridge if you're using one or the other, being the Bushman 130 upright. This one's great for drinks or food, or a bit of both. Staying on this side of the canopy, you can see the boat motor tucked nicely in the rear, as well as all the airbag man and ARB pressure controls. On this side of the canopy, you've also got all the power setup. This is two 200 amp lithium DCS batteries, as well as a full power board powered by EC Off-Road. This is an amazing package with a 100 amp DC-DC charger. You've got your MPPT solar reg, as well as your inverter for all the 240 volt needs around the canopy. Passenger side of this canopy is very impressive with a full kitchen slide out, as well as a 130 litre upright fridge from Bushman. In the kitchen, you've got your little Travel Buddy 12 volt pie oven, as well as a full drop down bench which houses your induction cooktop. So you've got the twin induction cooktop with a nice stainless table that slides out nice and neatly for a little sink as well. You've also got some more nice neat drawers and another stainless workbench, as well as your Cymarine display and your switching unit for all the light outputs, fridge controls, as well as inverter on and off switches in here. We've also got a water pump. This canopy has 100 litre onboard water storage. We have done one little additional upgrade inside the cabin, and this is adding the Dometic centre console fridge. Tam and family can keep the drinks cold now in the centre console. On the off-road creative front bar, this ties in perfectly with the look of the vehicle. You've got a solid steel winch plate. So this has got the 15K carbon Scout winch, and then it's got the LED lighting package. So you've got the steady 31-inch LED light bar, the two steady C4 Cube LED lights, and then we've gone and added the 3 Light Force HDX MK2 lights on top of the bar. This one looks amazing, and now he's got light for days. We've also added the 4 Light Force Rock 9 LED lights to his Rhino backbone. So this is the Rhino backbone on the roof, as well as the Pioneer platform. Up on top, we've also got the GME UHF and also the Telstra Selfie Go with the GME 1.2 metre whip. These are on Rhino rack folding brackets. Looks nice and neat up on the top. We've wired these work lights through the upfitter switches that are factory on these F-trucks. So we've gone in, we've utilised these. We've done 2 constant power switches for his work lights. We've done LED lights in the bar. We've done the LED spotlights on top of the bar. Then we've also done the compressor that's inside the Off-Road Creative canopy. On the back near the tow bar on this vehicle, the Off-Road Creative cover plate looks amazing. It's got the 2 Anderson ports. This is the red Anderson for the solar input, as well as the grey Anderson, which is a 50 amp rated output, enough power to control his rooftop boat loader. So he's going to have a winch up on the roof to lift up the boat on top of the vehicle. And we've also added the Safety Dave Wazza cable connection. So this is the flush mount connection for his 2 Caravan cameras. This has got a neat unit on top of the dash up the front, and you can look at this while driving or backing up the Caravan into tight spaces. With the van on the back, the weight of the truck, Tam's really going to need the distance between stops. So we've gone and added the Titan long range fuel tank. This is a massive upgrade from the standard 34 gallon, just over 150 litre fuel tank, up to a massive 55 gallon, which is 250 litres of fuel. This is going to give him a lot of range and be able to go that extra length in between rest stops. The F350 Platinum model from Ford is like nothing else in the range. We've got massage chairs factory, which is a win for me. I definitely want one now. Thank you, Tam. If you've got an F-Truck on order or one of the American platforms, we'd love to be part of your build. We can help with the whole build process, including your canopy, your front bar, performance upgrade, suspension, GVM, 12 volt, air on board, you name it, we can help you make it happen. Look forward to hearing from you guys. You can contact us through the website. You can give us a call on the landline provided on the website or hit us up through the social media platforms as well. Thanks guys, enjoy. Look forward to seeing you next time. That's not very nice, Al. Wow, the people I work with. Suspension tick. We'll give him light for days and he... Okay. We've gone a little bit bum high for now. I was going to say arse high. Yeah, that was going well too. The off-road creative campanity. I'm not ready yet to buy another hoist. Just wait. Almost there. We'll need a second hoist soon. You can just wait another week. Next week we really need one.